Hello, welcome back. So let's resolve this exponential equation. 5 to the x plus 5 to the x minus 4 equals 626. So first thing, let's rewrite 5 to the x minus 1. So we have minus 4, excuse me. So we have 5 to the x plus 5 to the x divided by 5 to the 4 equals 626. Now let's factorize by 5 to the x. So we have 5 to the x multiplied by 1 plus 1 divided by 5 to the 4 equals 626. Now 5 to the 4 is, we can rewrite it as 5 square, and 5 square is 25, and 25 square is 625. So let's rewrite here. In the denominator we have 625. Then we can rewrite the equation as 5 to the x and compute this sum right here between brackets. And so we have, let's put everything on the same denominator. We have 625, and on the top we have 625 plus 1 equals 626. So now it gives 5 to the x multiplied by 626 divided by 625 equals 626. So we can simplify both sides of the equation by 626, and by multiplying then both sides by 625, we are left with 5 to the x equals 625. But 625 can be rewritten as 25 square, 25 square, which itself can be rewritten as 5 square. So we have nested exponent here. So when we have nested exponent, we can multiply the exponent. So this is 5, 2 multiplied to the 2 multiplied by 2 equals 5 to the 4. So we have 5x equals to 5 to the 4. Therefore, x equals to 4. So let's check if it works in the original equation. So let's replace here x by 4 in this equation. So we'll have 5 to the 4 plus 5 to the 4 minus 4 equals 5 to the 4 plus 5 to the 0, which is 1. Anything to the exponent 0 equals 1. So this is, so 5 to the 4 is 6 to 5, like we saw before, plus 5 to the 0 is 1, which is 6 to 6. So it works. So x equals 4. And that's our answer. Thanks for watching and see you later. Goodbye.